Have you ever wondered what the future of money looks like? It's a question that provokes thought, isn't it? We live in a world where technology is evolving at a rapid pace, and yet, our financial systems seem to lag behind. We still rely on physical currency, paper checks, and traditional banks. But what if there was a better way? A way that is more secure, more efficient, and more democratic? Imagine a future where money is not just a physical object, but a digital entity. A future where transactions happen in the blink of an eye without the need for intermediaries. A future where you have complete control over your wealth, not a bank or a government. This is not just a hypothetical scenario, this future is here now. It's a future shaped by a revolutionary technology known as cryptocurrency. So buckle up because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. So, what is this cryptocurrency we're talking about? Well, let's break it down into bite-sized pieces. Imagine you're in a world where physical money doesn't exist. No coins, no notes, nothing you can touch. Instead, you have digital tokens, virtual representations of value that you can exchange for goods or services. That's the essence of cryptocurrency. It's digital or virtual currency. But wait, there's more to it. Cryptocurrency isn't just digital money, it's digital money with a suit of armor. That armor is cryptography, a form of secret coding. Cryptography protects your digital money by making it extremely difficult, if not impossible, to counterfeit or double spend. Think of it this way. If your digital money was a message in a bottle floating in a vast ocean, cryptography is the seal that keeps the message safe and secure. Now, let's delve into another distinguishing factor of cryptocurrency. It operates independently of a central authority, like a government or a central bank. This is one of the game-changing aspects of cryptocurrencies. Your digital money isn't controlled by any single entity. It isn't subject to the whims and fancies of an institution or a government. Instead, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, operating on a technology called blockchain. Picture a ledger, a record book of all transactions. Now imagine that this ledger isn't held by one person or organization but is distributed among a network of computers worldwide. That's a blockchain. It's a public, transparent ledger that anyone can view, but no one can tamper with. So why does this matter? It matters because it makes your digital money immune to government interference. No government can seize your cryptocurrency, inflate its value, or devalue it. Your digital money is yours and yours alone. In essence, cryptocurrency is digital money secured by codes and independent from traditional banking systems. It's a new form of money for a new age. It's a revolution in how we think about and use money. And it's only just beginning. Now that we have a basic understanding of what cryptocurrency is, what are the key points to remember? Let's start with the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional banking systems and currencies, which are controlled by central banks or governments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means no single entity has control over them. This decentralization provides users with more freedom over their money, but also comes with a higher level of responsibility. Next, we move to the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have shown the capacity for significant growth over a short period. For instance, Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, started with a value of less than a penny and peaked at nearly $65,000 in April 2021. However, it's crucial to note that past performance does not guarantee future results, and the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly. This brings us to our third point, the security offered by cryptocurrencies. They leverage cryptography, a method of protecting information through complex mathematical algorithms. Each transaction is recorded on a digital ledger known as the blockchain, which is nearly impossible to alter or delete. This provides a level of security and transparency unmatched by traditional financial systems. On to our fourth point, cryptocurrencies play a significant role in promoting financial inclusion. They can provide financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world, who may not have access to traditional banking systems. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies are not without risks. They are highly volatile and can be affected by a variety of factors, including regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market sentiment. This volatility can lead to substantial financial losses if not managed properly. While the world of cryptocurrency can seem complex, it's this blend of technology, independence, and potential for growth that makes it a compelling prospect for the future of money.